It's niggers like you that make me mad these days.
We have all our trust in the Lord, and that's where it really has been. If it wasn't for the Lord, we don't know where we would actually have been by now. And so it's no mistake. The Lord don't make mistakes. And so we're going to be here. We're here, and the Lord is going to be in that courtroom, buddy. He's going to be in that courtroom, and you talking about when they allow you to come home, when you are set free. You're going to talk about some hallelujah good time in there. You're going to talk about some shouting. Them people going to run us out of that courtroom, Brent. They're going to run us out. Because when you get all these Christians together and they're going to be having a joyous good time, they're going to they're going to be thanking Jesus and praising the Lord.
Jesus' precious name.
In Jesus' name.
Yeah. Bless my preacher friend. Bless me here. Jesus' precious name.
Yeah.
Amen. Amen.
In the Circuit Court of the 4th Judicial Circuit in and for Duval County, Florida, case number 2000-5635 CF, Division CRG, the State of Florida versus Brenton Leonard Butler. Verdict as to count 1. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Please, everyone, please maintain decorum in the courtroom. Thank you.
Verdict as to count 2. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty. So say we all, done at Jacksonville, Duval County, Florida, signed by the foreperson, dated November 21st, 2000.
Okay, does counsel for the state or the defendant wish the jury be polled? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you all please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your time and patience in this matter. I hope you all come away from this with a sense that you really have done something to contribute to the community.
There he comes.
I'm very happy that a good young man is being returned to his family for Thanksgiving.
Not guilty, not guilty, not guilty.
Well, he was a high school student accused of murder, tried and acquitted. Now, a year later, police say they had the wrong guy. First Coast News I-Team reporter Winston Dean is at the Ramada Hotel where this crime happened. And Winston, tell us more about the man who put it all together. We understand it wasn't anyone in law enforcement.
You indeed are right about that, Alan, and critics of what happened to Brenton Butler say the scary part is the person who may have solved this crime doesn't wear a badge or carry a gun. It was a lawyer whose salary we as taxpayers have to pay, someone who never gave up. In this case, Brent Butler's public defender.
One Curtis. Mr. Curtis, you're charged with murder and armed robbery. Mr. Curtis, you want me to appoint an attorney to represent you. Sign that form, sir. I find that you meet the criteria for appointment of counsel. I'm going to appoint Refik Eller to represent you, and he will be in touch with you at the Duval County Jail. Ronald Page. Mr. Page.
There's going to be a skinny black male wearing dark shorts, unknown shirt, and on a hat. The latest update is a black male, 20 to 25 years of age, with skinny legs.